How to install the camera? First, mount the stand on the bottom of the gimbal. Next, tighten the quick-release plate to the bottom of the camera. Paying attention to the installation direction, open the motor lock and move the gimbal to the installation angle and then lock it. And lock the safety lock. Press the anti-drop column, mount the camera on the gimbal, and then lock it. The camera installation is complete. How to balance the gimbal? Step 1. Open the motor lock of the tilt axis. Pull the camera lens up vertically and then let go. Observe the direction in which the camera is dropped. Loosen the knob ring. Push and pull the sliding arm until the lens can face up stably and no longer fall, and then tighten the knob ring. Step 2. Put the camera lens forward and let go to observe the falling direction. The camera can movable after screw is loosened. So put the camera lens forward and move the camera back and forth until it is balanced. And then tighten screw. Step 3. Open the motor lock of the roll axis. Observe the falling direction of cross arm. Loosen the knob ring, push and pull the cross arm until it's balanced. And then tighten the knob ring. After balancing, cross arm can stay at any angle. Open the motor lock of hand axis. Pull the gimbal horizontally. Observe the falling direction of vertical arm. Loosen the knob ring and pull and push the cross arm back and forth until it is balanced. Then tighten the knob ring. So far, the balancing is completed. Long press the power button. The gimbal will start to work.